Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, I'm following up to show how to remove a decal. Let's say you put it on wrong or it didn't work out or you just want to reuse it. So I'm going to use this product right here that's called Goo Gun. I'm going to spray it on and then I'll try to take it off. It does say in the instructions to spray it, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then use soap and water to take off the rest of the residue. So for this video, I'll just be doing this and removing it. I'll wash it, do a cutscene, come back, and we'll do like a before and after. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna hit it with the spray. Okay, watch out. I'm wearing gloves because I don't know how strong this stuff is. I'm letting it prime. See, that's all I'm doing. I'm just spraying on there. And honestly, it just smells like oranges. So I'm gonna let it sit, and then come back to you with the rest of the video. Ah, so I am back. Of course, there'll be a little time lapse of what I did, but yeah, with this spray right here, I removed all of the decal. The last thing left for me to do is just hit it with some soap and water, and you can use this cup again. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I did use a stainless steel blade right here, and I tried to use the pick tool, but you can see there's no scratches on here. There's nothing that would say this cup is totally ruined. You could reuse this for anything. All right, this is Eddie with Grand Sus Designs. I want you to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'd love to see you in the cart. Okay, have a good evening.